Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be teaching you how to install 81 custom pegs to your Grip Mayhem. So today we're going to be installing them on the left side because I scoop with the other hand. So just take this, take that, as so, and then right, first of all you're going to need two 5mm Allen keys. I've got my T-Roll Allen key here. Okay, and your wheel, your pegs, and if you need them, spacers. So okay, so first of all we're going to install the first bit. We're going to need this, and you're going to want to install it like this. Then take the bigger washer and just go a little bit further with that. Sorry, I'm going on the left side, so yes, so this way, and then you're going to put your wheel in, squash that through, and then just take the bigger washer, and you're then going to just go through with that, like that. Done that. And then you need the smaller washer, like so, and then take your peg and install it, like so. And I was wrong, you need a 6mm Allen key, and then you want to hold your peg at the bottom and then start tightening. Remember, clockwise is tighten, and anti-clockwise is loosen. That's our first peg installed. Spins perfectly. Okay, and we're going to turn it over. Then you're going to turn it over. I did it on the wrong side, but that's a little stupid. Then, going to the back, you're going to need to undo the wheel. So let's do that now. Right, so just doing this now. Right, then take that and place it there. Then you're going to want to turn it around. Maybe your long Allen key if you have one, and push it all the way through, like so. And you're going to take your peg, and I did this wrong side, so I'm going to need to push this one through here, like so, and place the Allen key back down, and then take your peg. For this, you might need 4 washers, but I've just used a roller blade, the inside of a roller blade, and then push it all the way through, and you're going to need maybe your smaller one, so let's place that on there now, and your big washer, and then we're going to go through, all the way through, like so, and then we're going to take this spacer, place that on, screw that on. Remember, hold the scratches at the bottom. Then you're going to need your set of Allen keys in the 6, and then tighten. Like so. And now your pegs are installed. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to rate, comment and subscribe because there will be more videos on the way.